Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create promotional videos using Revid.ai. So creating promotional videos using Revid.ai is a straightforward process that allows you to produce engaging content, and you will see step by step how do I create a promotional video. So you will just choose this short video generator from here, and after next you will just add your video script. If you have a video script, you can just also use like applications chat gpt, perplexity, and Gemini, which is a Google model. So you can generate a script from here, and I will also created a script. I will just paste it here. My script is on a HP Chromebook 360. So if I scroll down, so from here is the next step is you will just customize options. You will just select it your stock videos, AI videos, your own media, but I will just recommend it for moving AI images, which is built in Revid.ai. And next you will just select a model. Some models are pro models. uh, Pro models means that you when you purchase the plan you will be able to use this pro models. And after next, if I scroll down, you will just pick your image generation model and tell them dark mode or white mode. It is a journal style optional. Select voice or record yourself. So you can just select the language. Gender, if you want to female version you will just select it female. If you want to male, then you will just select male. And you will just also select the age, use case, description, accent. So I test you some voices of male.
The thing always happens that you really believe in, and the belief in a thing makes it happen.
So is the last step. I will just tell you easily that select audio and generating music. So you will just tap on this create video, and it will create your promotional video. But right now I don't have enough credit to run this tool, so you will have to just purchase the plan. And after you will be credit in 2000 AI credit a month and full video editor access. So this is you can use of creating promotional videos in Revid.ai. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.